Hi, welcome. I'm David Victor, President of American Educational Institute. We're on set with Dr. Barry Franklin, who most of you know from past programs. Barry's been on our program 4 or 5, half a dozen times, not sure. Always meets with great reviews from you. So I thought Barry would give us the 20-second synopsis of the talk he's about to tape in a few minutes. The talk concerns advances in preventive cardiology. That itself is self-explanatory, but I'll let Barry go into a bit more detail. Barry.
Thanks, David. In a nutshell, we've come to the sobering realization that probably 95% of all acute cardiac events, heart attacks, are largely preventable. It all starts with what I call the foundational risk factors for cardiovascular disease: poor diet, physical inactivity, and cigarette smoking. This talk is going to address those 3 factors, as well as pharmacologic advances in the prevention of treatment of cardiovascular disease and genetics. How important are genetics relative to lifestyle change?
So, should be an interesting hour. I hope you watch.